This is the low voltage U-Technology Sensor Series motion sensor. It fits in a 5/8 inch or 16 millimeter hole with a minimum hole depth of a half an inch, which allows for room of the wires in the back. These are designed to work with all U-Technology low voltage products to a maximum of 36 watts with 12 volt systems and 72 watts with 24 volt systems. Once a light or series of lights are wired to this sensor, it can turn them on and off whether a person moves within the sensor's detection area. Detection distance is 5 feet. For a spec sheet with information about this product, visit our website.